just want to say I am blown away. Thank you for coming over from Matt's channel and subscribing. We appreciate all the love, all the comments, the likes, everything you guys are showing us. I can't even believe it. I don't have words. If you want to see some build videos, some repair work, whatever you guys want to see, comment. If you guys have any suggestions on what you like, let us know and we will listen. So right now we're working on a 50-ton wrecker repair job. We're taking you through the full process. So we've got a pretty tight deadline. We got to have this truck assembled and driven to Denver before Christmas. We're looking at about a couple weeks away. Better get to it, get this thing painted and get it reassembled. We'll bring the fender in here. Give ourselves some room. Okay, so we've got everything in the booth. Taylor got everything prepped this morning, whittled all the way around all those rivets, made it look really nice. Once it gets it masked, we're gonna get it cleaned and I'll be back in to shoot it with him. What do you think, Taylor?
Sounds like a plan.
Oops, that came shooting out. Got to mix up some clear base. It's called DBC 500. This is a layer that we put down before the base coat, kind of seals everything up to where we can do our blends on top of it. Try not to power shoot it out of the cut this time. So we've got everything sprayed. We're gonna let it flash out for 10 to 15 minutes, and me and Taylor are gonna clear it. It's go time. Okay, we've got the last coat of clear on. This red was super transparent, couldn't get it to cover. We had some issues with some chunkiness coming out of the base, so we had to fix that. We did that off camera. It's looking good now. All right, it's the next day. Let this sit overnight. Everything's cured out. Looks perfect. We'll get to moving everything out.
Oh my gosh.
Whoops. Almost had a disaster. Once we get it unmasked, we're gonna pull it outside and see what it looks like in the sun. Should look pretty good. How's your donut?
Good.
There's no sun. Doesn't look like we're taking it out to look at it right now. All right, now that we've got everything painted, we're gonna throw the stainless steel grill back on and get that thing huck riveted in. So I've got Taylor here helping me. Got it all nice and taped off. Last thing we wanna do is scratch this fresh paint that looks beautiful. So we know we're right where we need to be. Okay, so we've got it on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all these stainless steel huck bolts in. Are they tightening down?
It's sucking the grill flush the top of the hood.
I think we have a little bit too long a bolt. I thought that I had the wrong size of huck bolts in here. If you look right here, there's a little bit of threads. These are predetermined break points. So when this collar goes on and gets swaged on, this huck bolt breaks off. So I had to go double check. We do have the correct ones in, so that's good. So we'll continue on. One more and then we'll go to the other side. Push back on the grill a little bit on the bottom. I'm pretty sure there's like 5,000 of these bolts in here. The rod shoots out of here like a missile, watch it. Okay, that's all of them. Got it. All right, grill is on. It's looking dang good. This thing almost looks like a normal hood again. We've got this protective layer we need to pull off real quick. Let's get this hood turned sideways and then we can get this fender put on. We'll huck bolt that. We'll get the stainless steel trim put on that. And this front end will be ready for Hillbilly to get the headlights in it, and then we'll install it in the morning. So we're gonna put stainless back in. The ones from the factory were painted. All right, bring them on. Be very, very careful. Hold it, twist it down towards Taylor. Don't want to go in. I'm just gonna hurry and pop all these in. That's what a snowmobile does.
These are badass rivets, man.
Huck bolts.
Huck bolts.
Dude, they're way sweet. It just takes a $13,000 riveter. That's it. All right, that's that. Fender's installed. Now we gotta get the stainless trim on it. Up, hold it. Okay, down.
So start the semi up, back it out, grab the sleeper, put straps on it, lift the sleeper up, set it down onto the semi, get it bolted back in place where it's supposed to be, and it is done.